Hey guys, this is Carl from Lingo, and check out what just came in the mail today. We have some brand new products from Google, and we're excited to show you the Google Pixel 3 XL, as well as a case from Google and a wireless charging stand. Now I'm actually a Pixel 2 user at the moment, so I'm really excited to see what the 3 XL can offer. So let's get right into the unboxing. Alright, so here's the exciting part, having to see the Pixel 3 XL for the very first time, and we have the clearly white edition, which Google calls it, but it's actually just the white version. So let's find out what else you can find in the box. Firstly, you have some user documentations as well as a SIM tool. And this is the first time that Google is shipping with some earphones, and this is actually the Pixel Buds, but connected through a Type-C connector. And this is your charging cable, which is both ends a Type-C connector. And this is good because not only can you flip it on either side, you can also flip it on either ends of the cable. Along with that would be your charging brick, which is also a Type-C connector here. And lastly, you have the OTG adapter, which allows you to connect thumb drives or even connect your existing iPhone to transfer files and port over to the Pixel 3 XL. You also have the included Type-C to headphone jack adapter if you are still interested in using your existing headphones. So now let's get back to the phone and take out this protective plastic. Satisfying sound. Check this out. Wow, that is impressive. Now for first impressions, you actually can tell that this is slightly different from the Pixel 2 in a way that it was originally an aluminium build. Now I brought up my Pixel 2 XL just for some short comparisons, and you can see that it is actually sporting a very similar design language. Now what we can see is that the SIM tray has now moved to the bottom on the Pixel 3 XL compared to the Pixel 2 XL, which had it on the side, on the left side here. And looking at the back, this used to be a full aluminium case, but now the back of the Pixel 3 XL is fully glass, and they have this matte coating at the back which really feels good to the touch. So I'm not so sure why people are complaining about the Pixel 3 XL's notch, but if you look closely compared with the XS Max, the notch on the XS is actually much wider compared to the Pixel 3 XL. But I mean, I understand because the Pixel 3 XL actually cuts much deeper into the screen, which is definitely not something that you will like. Now, an advantage over a narrower notch on the Pixel 3 XL could be that you could actually display more notifications on the top bar compared to the iPhone XS Max. Some of you may not know yet, but there's actually a nifty feature to hide the notch. But the settings is actually located deep within developers' options. So this could actually mean that Google does not want casual users to be playing around with this. So we're just going to show you anyways how you can actually head over to enable developers' option. So firstly, head over into your settings and scroll down to System, and then go to About Phone. And to enable developers' option, just scroll down to build number and just tap it a number of times. And now they're going to ask you for your PIN. Great, so now you are a developer. So let's go back. And you will see that under Systems, you would now have a new option called Developers Options down here. Just tap onto it and scroll down almost 3/4 of the way, and you will see just above Hardware Accelerated Rendering, you have Display Cutout, which is now set to default, which is exactly this. And what you can actually do is to tap on Hide, which means that your entire top portion of this screen on the left and the right side is not being used, which is actually, to be honest, wasted real estate space. So if you would prefer something that looks like this, you can always head over to Display Cutout and just select Hide. Now, some other options that you have for some reason is actually a corner cutout, which we don't really know what this actually means. So this could actually be Google's site trying to play around with different screen color options. You can even have a double notch. Okay, so we'll just switch it back to device default because I think this is still the best. You have your notifications which are displayed here, and no screen area is actually wasted on anything else. Okay, great. So this is actually just a really short little unboxing. Stay tuned for our full review, which will be coming up soon this week. This is Carl, signing off.